So we're going to double check all the fluids. We got one of the levels right here for the antifreeze is a little low. So we're gonna top this off. And this is, you've got another one here. It's kind of crazy.
That's kind of weird.
This is coolant, and then this is coolant. And this one you can see the line over here for minimum and maximum, and it's a little low. So we're gonna just top this one off to get it to the minimum, maybe in the middle of it. And you know, you want to check all your belts, hoses, and fluids. And we're looking at the belt. Holy smokes, serpentine belt is buried below all of this stuff in here, and we'll try and figure out what this is. But it's all coolant going through this. This is some type of coolant module here that's in front of the serpentine belt. But we can see the belt, and there's no cracks, so the belt's in good condition. And we'll just squeeze all the hoses to make sure nothing's soft. The vehicle has real low mileage, so we don't have an issue with anything like that. So let's get this level topped off.
There's a max and a minimum mark. The top line says max, and the one right below it says minimum.
We want to go just above the minimum a little bit because the vehicle is not cold. Say when, Tony.
Keep going. A little more. Yeah, that's good.
So there's no transmission dipstick. That's underneath. And then, so we got the coolant here that we checked, the coolant over there that we checked. And then you got the windshield washer fluid over there.
So your wiper fluid's right here, but there's not really a side of the bottle that you can see. So I guess you'd kind of have to open the lid for it.
Yeah, you gotta check and see if it's, fill it to the top, I guess.
Hello!
Yeah.
There's nothing in there. So to top it off, obviously just pour some wiper fluid in there till you can see it. But yeah, there's no side of the bottle like there usually is to see through it.
And on the opposite side, we have the brake fluid over here.
Oh, there it is.
And you can shake it, and you can see that it's at the max right now.
Yep.
So the brake fluid is good. We'll double check the oil again after we put the half quart in.
Let's see.
Wipe it.
Yeah, that's where the dipstick is hiding out.
And we're doing 7,500 in between oil changes. And we've got it right up to the top of the check, right there. You can see it. And that's where we want it.
And that's how you check the fluid levels under the hood of your 2025 Genesis GV80. Thanks for watching the video. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to leave a comment. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe. Take it easy.